Hey guys, today in this video we're going to talk about resetting your Apple Store Apple account balance to zero. So if your Apple balance is not zero and it's not letting you do any purchases, this video is for you. So you have to open settings and click your Apple account first. Then you have to go down and you can sign out and then sign in again. I'm sure signing it out and signing in again will solve your problem out. The next thing that you can do is you can click on payments and shipping, and you have to wait for some time. So now what you can do is you can remove your original card, and then you can click on add payment method and then add a new card. Adding a new card or using the previous card but signing out will solve your problem out. The next thing that you can do is you can go to Safari and click type getsupport.apple.com. Now this is a support site from Apple, and when you get there, you have to come down and click on choose a product. Once you click on choose a product, you have to click on billings and subscription under apps and services, then subscriptions and purchases. You have to choose a relevant question from these list of questions. I'll choose unable to make purchases and click continue. And here coming down, there is an option to call Apple support. Initially they had no options like this, but now they have option. Initially they just have a chat option, which was not helpful, but now you can directly call them and they will give you a time when you can talk to the customer support, and I'm sure they will sort your problem out. So this was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.